Hi guys, this is Xinjie. I think it's almost 1 week that I didn't upload any new video on my YouTube channel. Yeah, actually I'm in the bad mood in this week, but whatever. I just trying to go outside and then run a little bit, and yeah, maybe my mood will be changed. And here is the park, and I'm not sure about the name. And the river behind me is called Ottawa River, and you can see there's many animals. There are many animals, and I don't know what's the name. Maybe it's some kind of duck or what, bird or something. Yeah, I'm just trying to. It's all around here. Yeah, and maybe when the water getting lower, and then they just walk up to the land to trying to find the food, maybe. Yeah, so they are not afraid of humans. So as long as I walk closely to them, they're still walking or moving in a slow speed. Yeah, so hi, how are you? Yeah, so I don't know, you can see there's tons of this animal. I don't know, maybe it's the time for afternoon tea or something. Maybe they're hungry, they try to gain more calorie to keep themselves warm. Okay. Yeah, okay. So okay, I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, if you know what's the name of this kind of animal, yeah, please leave the name or some knowledge about the animal to let me know more about this. Okay. Okay. They try to leave me alone. So this is the new video for this week. Yeah, maybe next time when I feel better, I will tell you about what's happening to me in this last week, or yeah, recently. Yeah, I think they're still a little bit afraid of human, because once you getting really close to them, they will try to keep a 2 or 3 meters of distance away from you. Yeah, and the river is here, it's right here, so it's easy to walk from there and then up to the dam. Yeah, but I don't know what they are eating. It's all maple leaves. I have no idea. Okay, so this is the video for today. Now it's 6 degrees in Ottawa, Canada. See you next time. Bye.